Hello guys, once again this is Shane Ali Khan coming before you all to let you know something about our Facebook live session. If you are watching right now, so this is information from my side for the basic learner, for the intermediate learner, and if you are in advanced level, so you can also interact with me on Facebook live session, which is going on daily 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And if you are still here and in live session and you are not going to interact with me, so you are not going to learn something. Speaking skill is all about the interaction. You interact more, you will learn more. So thanks for watching this video, and please do share for the needy who need this.